In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your communication process, this guide will help you efficiently include important files or documents in your emails. We'll focus on one-to-one sales emails within the CRM, which is a powerful tool for nurturing relationships with your contacts. First, let's begin by navigating through your HubSpot platform to find the right contact. Start by going to the Contacts section. This is accessible from the main dashboard and is where you'll find a list of all your contacts. Select the contact you want to email by clicking on their name or relevant details. Once you've opened the contact's record, you'll need to move to the Email tab. This tab is your gateway to personalized communication with your contact. When you're ready to compose your email, look for the paperclip icon. This is the universal symbol for attaching files, making it easy to spot wherever you are managing your emails. Upon clicking this icon, you'll be presented with two options to add your file. The first option is to upload a file directly from your computer. This is ideal if you have a new document or a file saved locally that hasn't been added to HubSpot yet. It's simple. Just navigate through your computer folders and select the file you want to attach. The second option allows you to choose an existing file from HubSpot's file manager. This is particularly useful if you have frequently used documents or previous attachments stored in your HubSpot account, as it saves time and ensures consistency in your communication. Simply browse through the file manager, select the necessary file, and add it to your email. While attaching files, it's reassuring to know that every file is scanned for malware by HubSpot, contributing to the security of your emails and peace of mind for both you and your recipients. However, there's an important detail to keep in mind. Each file you attach must be under 20 megabytes. This limitation is quite standard in email platforms to prevent long loading times and ensure that emails are transmitted efficiently and quickly. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate attachments into your emails, enhancing the quality and value of your communication. This can be particularly beneficial when sharing contracts, proposals, or any documents that support your sales and marketing efforts. With practice, adding attachments will become second nature, and you'll be able to focus more on the content of your communications rather than the logistics of delivering your messages. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide. I hope you found it helpful, and that you're now equipped with the confidence to attach files to your HubSpot emails with ease. Happy emailing!